In this video, I will show how to create a restore point in your right-click context menu to get ahead of PC crashes. So, guys, as you know, restore point is very useful if something went wrong and you're facing major problem in your Windows PC or laptop. So you can backup your old system with just restore point. So you can create in different way restore point and easy and simple way. Right click and in context menu you will see the restore point. So just visit this website. This is the URL and here click on add create restore point in context menu in Windows 10 or 11. So download this folder or this file. Click here download now. Now you have a zip file and in zip file you have two files, one for download and one for remove. So to download and add, double click on this file, and to remove, double click on this file. So to add, double click and give the permission. Now right click, new, and if you not see here, so show more options in Windows 11. So now you have this feature. Click on create restore point. Now it will create for you a restore point. That's it. So thanks for watching, guys. Share, like, and subscribe this channel. And guys, if you want to remove, so double click on this second file. You have two files, first one for add and second one to remove. So thanks again and comment this video useful for you or not.